How to add the music to your library on Shazam. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add any music to your library on Shazam. So first thing we do is we go to Shazam app. Now we go to charts here, and then let's choose any song here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this song. Now let's save it to library. All what you have to do is click on those three dots here and then choose add to your library, and as you can see the track has been added to my library, and I'm gonna find it. Okay, let's see if it is saved, and as you can see it's here on my library. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.